Welcome student to standard 6 maths digital class. Let's continue lesson number 12 percentage. Let us solve practice set 30 question number 2. There are 500 students in the school in Dahihanda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? Now let us see how to solve question number 2. So first write down given things which is given in the example. Total students are given 500. Out of that students can swim 350. Now what we have to find out, what percentage of them can swim and what percentage cannot. In this example, number of student can swim is given, but percentage is not given. So that percentage we have to calculate. So take letter instead of percentage. So write down, let X percentage of student can swim. So here we have written, let X% student can swim. Now write down ratio of swimming students. How to write X%? Yes. In example 1 we have seen X% is written as X upon 100 is equal to 350 student can swim out of 500 students. Now to find the value of X, we have to multiply both sides by 100. Multiplying both sides by 100, then cancel this 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. Cancel these two zeros. Then 5 ones are 5, 5, 7 are 35, 70. So here X is equal to 70. It means 70% students can swim. Now we have to find out how many students cannot swim. So here write down students cannot swim is equal to, how you will find student cannot swim? Yes, 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. 30%. So out of 100% students, 70% students can swim. So if we subtract 70% from 100%, we get 30%. It means 30% students cannot swim. Write down answer. In this way, you have to write down answer. 30% students cannot swim. Now likewise, we will solve question number 3. Question number 3. If Prakash sowed jawar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land, on how many square meter did he actually plant jawar? Now this example is little bit different. Here percentage is given and we have to find out on how much land actually he sowed jawar. In previous two examples, percentage was not given and that percentage we have calculated. Now that is the difference. So first write down given things. Here total land is given. What is total land? 19,500 square meter, and Jawar sold on 75% of total land. It means he sold Jawar on 75% of 19,500 square meter of land. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out how many square meter did he actually plant Jawar. So let he sold Jawar on X square meter of total land. So here we have to write down, let he sowed Jawar on X square meter of total land, means on 19,500 square meter of land. So first we have to write down ratio of sowed Jawar. Here X square meter of land on which he sowed Jawar. So X is written in the numerator. Out of total land, that land is given 19,500 square meter is equal to, on how much land he sowed Jawar? On 75% of land he sowed Jawar. So how to write 75%? Yes, 75 upon 100. Now multiply both sides by 19,500. Here to find the value of x, we have to multiply both sides by 19,500. So write down in this way. Now divide this 19,500 ones are 19,500. And here cancel two zeros. Multiply 75 into 195. So here x is equal to 75 into 195. The product is 14,625 square meter. Write down answer. Prakash sold Jawar on 14,625 square meter of land. Understood this example? Now, next example 4 and example 5 you will solve of your own. Now we will solve example 6. Now let us solve question number 6. In the elections, 1080 of the 1200 women in Jambulgaon cast their vote, while 1360 of the 1700 in Vadgaon cast their vote. In which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes? So first you have to write down given things. There are elections. During elections, now women cast their vote in Jambulgaon. So observe the question and tell me how many women cast their vote in Jambulgaon. Yes, 1080 out of 1200 women. So write down these figures in ratio form. 1080 women cast their vote out of 1200 women. So total women in Jambulgaon are 1200. Out of that 1080 women cast their vote. Now find out how many women cast their vote in Vadgaon. In Vadgaon, total number of women are 1700. Out of that, 1360 women cast their vote. So write down this figure in ratio form. So here it will come 1360 upon 1700. So total number of women we have written in denominator, and women cast their votes we have written in numerator. Now, what we have to find out? Two things we have to find out. Percentage of vote in both village. And in which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes? So let's see how to solve. Here, to solve this example, first we will find percentage of votes in Jambulgaon. We don't know how many percentage of women cast their vote. So we have taken that X percent women cast their vote. Now write down that figure in ratio form. Ratio is equal to X percent women cast their vote. So X percent is written as X upon 100 is equal to how many number of women cast their vote? In Jambulgaon, 1080 out of 1200. Now we have to calculate percentage. Here figure is given, percentage is not given. So now we will calculate the percentage. For that we have to calculate value of X. For that we have to multiply both sides by 100. Then calculate the answer. Cancel this 0. 12 ones are 12. 12 nines are 108. 90. So here you will write X is equal to 90. It means 90% women cast their vote. Now here write down answer in sentence. 90% women cast their vote in Jambulgaon. Now let's find percentage of votes in Vadgaon. So here we have taken letter Y. Let Y% of women cast their vote. Write down ratio. Y% is written as Y upon 100 is equal to how many number of women cast their vote in Vadgaon? 1360 out of 1700. Now here also we have written Y upon 100 multiplied by 100 and 1360 upon 1700 multiplied by 100. Both sides we have to multiply by 100. Now calculate this. After calculating these ratios, we will come to know that Y is equal to 80. It means 80% of women cast their vote in Vadgaon. Now what is the next step? We have to compare both the figure. Then we will come to know in which village did a greater proportion of women cast their vote. Here we have to write down percentage of Jambulgaon and percentage of Vadgaon. Now 90% is greater than 80%. So write down your answer. Here we have written answer. Therefore, women from Jambulgaon village cast a greater proportion of vote. So understood how to solve word problem in percentage. Now solve examples from video in your notebook and remaining examples try to solve. Here we have finished lesson number 12. Thank you.